Right, we have another unboxing to do, and this is a backpack. I have a couple of cameras that I like to take out with me, and I want to make sure they're safe, you know, when I'm carrying them about. I don't want to get them damaged in any way. If it starts raining, I don't want them to get wet, because they cost me a lot of money, you know what I mean? So, I invested in a new backpack, and we are going to test it out. I'm not going to try it out in the water though, because I'm not, you know, I'm not going to bury it into water. It says it's waterproof, and that's good enough for me. I'm not going to try it. You know, if it says it's waterproof, then it should be. You know, we will wait till one day when it rains. So this is from a company called ESDDI. Yeah, ESD it says on there. And it cost me just under £40, and hopefully that's a good investment. Like I said, I have a few cameras now. I have two that I take out sometimes, plus my phone. Tripods, I have quite a few tripods. So here it is. It looks very nice actually. Nice design, nicely laid out. What's this say? Certification. Oh right, it tells you all about it. Let's have a quick look around it. Apparently you can put a tripod in there. I think it goes in here and straps to that. Or it might be that side. I don't really know yet, because it's new. And we will see. I've just got it out of the bag. Or out the box handbag, as you could see. First impression, yeah. Feels really nice. Let's have a look inside. Come over here and we'll have a look. Right, let's have a look. So you've got a zip here. Goes quite a way. Feels good. Let's open her up. Right, that's a rain protector to put over the top of it. Inside there somewhere. I'm not going to get it out. Alright, I will. A little bit. Alright, I'll get it out. Couldn't make mine up. Oh yeah, that's quite easy to do, isn't it? Should help keep it dry. Right, put that back. Don't need that out yet. Or we don't need to use it. And that was easy to put back as well. Right, let's have a look. So obviously you can, well, not maybe not obvious, but it's obvious to me. It's all Velcro, so you can do loads of different adjustments. What we're going to do now, I'm going to get one of my cameras and put it in there, and some of my lighting as well. Right, so this is my old Canon digital camera. This is the EOS 300D. And look, you can either just stick it in there like so. Like that, should be quite easy. And you can adjust this to make it nice and tight and snug. Or we can pop it in here somewhere. Make it tight. So there's plenty of choice. Obviously you can remove this lens and put the cover on. I'm going to get one of my lights, my flash, and well, you could put it in there like that. That fits in there quite nicely actually. You could put that in there, or you could take that out, stick it in there, and we can even go like this to make sure it doesn't fall about anywhere. Perfect. What else? Stick a bag in. Here's the bag. Pop that in one of the pockets, or even just stick it down there. Make it nice and tight. A lens, I've got a little lens here, that will fit in there gorgeously. Yeah, look at that, that's nice and snug, that ain't going nowhere. That's pretty good. Loads of pockets, so you've got a zip here. Nice big pocket there. Mesh one there. What's this? Another little tiny pocket there for little tiny batteries or something. A slightly bigger one. Jesus, there's a lot of pockets here. Even a bigger one. What's under here? What's under here? More pockets here. Jesus, put like pens in there. Nice. And a nice big one, by looking at it. Down there. That's really nice. That's very good. Plus you've got this one here, of course. That's really deep. Yeah, looking good. So there's loads of options for putting stuff in there. Do it up. So, yes, it looks nice as well. There's a pocket here. Oh, there's a little strap there. There's a strap there. Pocket, another pocket. Nice bit of padding on there as well. So you got that for you. Well, you can use it for whatever you want really, but you're supposed to be able to get a tripod in there. We will try it out in a second. There's another one there. Look, put stuff down there as well. Yes. And that's nice and thick as well, so it should be nice on your shoulders and that. Right, let's get my tripod. This isn't the one I would take out, but it'd be interesting to see if this works as well. So I'm going to stick it in here. And you can zip this up as well. So it goes in there like so. This strap. Now, oh right, I can put it through the handle. So it goes through the handle, which will make it more secure. That's not going nowhere, is it? That's pretty solid. Yeah? Yeah, that's pretty good. That's going to hold brilliantly. Right, we need to try it on now for comfort. Right, let's try that for comfort. So it ain't going to fall out, is it? It's going to put it around the handle. That's pretty good. It's got quite a weight to it now, though. Right, let's try one for comfort, shall we? Quite a weight in there now. You can do the strap across your chest if you want to. There, got my arms. Pretty good. It was alright. Yeah, I mean, you know it's there. I mean, it's big, isn't it? It's not small, but it's comfortable on the straps. Yeah, I like it. Very good. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'd use that. It doesn't really bother me because, you know. But I suppose it's handy if you feel that they're going to fall off your arms or off your shoulders. You can just bring that across and tighten it up and it just pull them in. Yeah, very good. Easy to take off as well. And not only that, I don't feel as though that tripod's going to fall out. Like I say, this isn't the tripod I would take out. The tripod I'd take out, I've got two that I would normally take out. One's on that camera, and one's on that camera. But that one, I probably wouldn't take out actually, because that is a big one. And that one would be more sensible. So yeah, so what do I think? I think it's excellent. Just under £40. It's got all the pockets you can need. It's got all the combinations you could use. Some people might say it's too small, so you know, it depends on what equipment you're putting in there. But for me, a couple of cameras, I will put 2 cameras in here at any one time if I go out and about and I'm doing a bit of filming outside. So I can easily get 2 cameras on there and a tripod. So I would take the tripod that's over there. That would fit in there really nice, which is a bigger one than this one. This is only a cheap one, but it does the job. This was my first actual tripod, this one here, and yeah, that holds it really well, so I'm quite impressed. I love the quality, I love the little bit of stitching here and there, it gives it a bit of styling, and this little zip here. Forgot about that one actually. Yeah, it's a nice big zip, or big pocket I should say. And I like the fact you can put another bag over the top to keep it waterproof. Yeah, loads of pockets, plenty of combinations and little straps. Even in there, you can put things in there. Run across. These little ties as well. Brilliant. So, what do I think about it? Definitely gets my thumbs up. I think it's an excellent little product. I would buy one. Oh, I did. And I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to buy one. And with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. Right, let's get on with it. Let's go out. Let's go out and about. See you later, alligator, alligator, whatever.